Hi there, students. Allure, either as a verb to allure or as a noun, allure, an uncountable noun. The adjective as well is alluring. So let's see. Allure, the power to attract, the quality of attraction, a pull. So this area has great allure with its wildlife, green spaces and rural aspect. As a verb, to allure, to attract with something desirable, to be attractive. He was allured by promises of a quick and easy profit. The bright city lights and prospects of jobs allure people from the country to the city. So to allure, to tempt by offering something desirable. They are tempted by the allure of a better quality of life. We can also use allure meaning to fascinate, to charm. Her smile is very alluring. She allures people with her smile. His style of writing is very alluring, seductive, if you like. The smell of freshly baked bread is very alluring. Now notice you can use the verb to allure like to lure. To lure, to tempt somebody into a wrong or foolish course of action. But to lure is, I think, with more, is somebody has worse intentions. Allure is something that it is attractive. Maybe it's not good for you, but it's not as bad as to lure, to place a trap and try and attract somebody into that trap. So to allure, to attract, maybe to something that you shouldn't do, but it's not as bad as to lure. Okay, to allure is a regular verb, so the smell of the food allured him. He has been allured by the smell of the food. I'd probably give this verb something like a 6.5 in formality. I don't think I would use it in an informal conversation. I'd probably use the verb to tempt or to attract, attraction, something like that. So better to keep allure for something semi-formal or something very formal. It sounds a bit literary as well. So allure, it comes from the same root as to lure. Old French, allurer, which the ad in Latin, towards, and l'allure, a lure, a trap, a snare for hunting. So to allure, to attract, the allure, the attraction. Something that's alluring is very attractive. Yeah, maybe there's a trick to it, maybe there isn't. So there you go, to allure, allure. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Allure, alluring.